There's a drum line in my heartbeat, I know exactly what it's from. The turning off the street lamps, they say the day is almost done. There's a ringing in my ears now, I remember how it was. The feeling we had last night, and it won't stop now because everybody says, hey, no, we don't wanna see this day go. If I ever had my say, so we can make this go all night, night, night. Cause if the party is dead, we can bring it back to life. Yeah, we can make it through the night if you listen to the words that I say. Cause if the party is dead, everybody will get out of our way. I got a song stuck in my head, I know exactly why it's there. There's a noise outside my bedroom, and I don't even care. If I ever said go home, everybody here would say hell no. All we gotta do is just let go. We can make it through the night. Cause if the party is dead, we can bring it back to life. Yeah, we can make it through the night if you listen to the words that I say. Cause if the party is dead, all we need is candlelight and a little bit of dynamite. Everybody will get out of our way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We can bring it back to life. Yeah, we can bring it back to life. Cause I'm never gonna get these drums out of my head, and I'm never gonna get some sleep inside of my bed. And I'm sorry if goodnight is something I've ever said. Cause if the party is dead,